Hey, I'm Chris.
And I'm Lindsay.
And this is the Crossbody Lead Rumba.
Let's get started.
Alright, lead us footwork for the Crossbody Lead Rumba. So I'm going forward with my left foot first, forward step, side together right, closing my left foot with my right foot. It's the first half of the box. Now the change happens here when I go backwards with my right foot. So I rotate and get out of the way. I take a side step with my left foot and then close right foot to left. And then I rotate my box again when I go forward with my left, but I rotate to face the back, forward, side together, and I push my box back, side together. Forward, side together, back rotating, side together, forward rotating, side together, and then straight back, side together. With counts, I'm going to go slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick.
Alright, so now we're going to do the followers footwork for the crossbody lead and rumba. Going back, side together, and we go forward on our left, forward on our right, forward on our left again, rotating 180, step backwards, and then a side together, forward, finishing your box. So we go back, side together, forward, 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 rotate, back, side together, forward, side together, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick.
With the counts, we'll go slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick.
Slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick.
Okay, the key points for the Crossbody Lead Rumba. As we dance this pattern, we do half a box as normal. I start to get out of the way because I curve that step backwards. She still steps forward in between my feet. And then I step to the side as she walks across me. I close my feet as she continues to walk across me. And then we both rotate. And then we take our forward step back to our next box. And we know the pattern. So the key is that when I open up away from her, that we get 90 degrees from each other. So I go back and take my side step, and at this point here, if you stop on her second forward step, and she's still facing the same way the whole entire time, I've rotated a quarter of a turn to the left, and now we're at a 90-degree angle to each other if you look at our shoulders. So we open up and we can see the front now, which is really, really nice. She can even look to the front, which is also cool too. That when I close my feet, she'll continue to walk through, I'll rotate, and then I'll curve my next forward step so we can go back into our box, and then pattern in its entirety made a half of a turn.
So important thing for followers is we do want to try to keep in a straight line, and like he was saying, we want to have a 90-degree angle from him. We don't want to close off like we're rotating our box, right? So we want to make sure we're walking forward and our body's going to be angled that way as well. So I go side together, forward step, and then continue going forward straight across, forward, let him rotate us, and then we finish with the box.
Sometimes I accidentally rotate her because what leads her is my left hand rotating her. So if I open up and I keep my left hand close to me, it's going to rotate her and it's just going to be an over-rotated box instead of a crossbody lead. If I leave my left hand where it was, it will leave her where she is. So I'm going to open up away from my hand to leave space so that she feels no need for rotation. If I bring my hand with me, I will rotate her on accident. If I leave it behind, I'll open up away from my hand. So I'm more extended than I was previously, so she didn't get a need to rotate, and then I'll close everything up and take a regular hold to finish her box.
So again, with the amount of length of your steps, depends on your leader, it's how much room he gives you. So we don't want to try to take a huge step, especially that first one while he's opening the door for us. We want to appropriately step, and that'll come with the length of the step he gives us. So what I mean is, we want to take a smaller step forward, right here. So he's giving us this lead, so it's almost a little pressure. He's opening the door but not allowing us to pass quite yet. And then his steps aid in my direction, and then I continue through. What we don't want to do is take a huge step in that very first one. So we go slow, quick, quick, slow. And then I've tripped on him, anticipated the movement, and then that's where that can also go a little awry.
Thanks for watching the Crossbar Lead. I'm Chris.
And I'm Lindsay. Be sure to subscribe for more wedding videos and check out our other wedding video playlists, all linked below. And be sure to comment anything that you liked, anything you didn't like, what you want to see next, things like that. We're very open to suggestions.
Small thing.
And we'll see you soon.